This is Adnan Sanni from Sanni Enterprises. Today we are going to give some information about Vickers vane pumps. Fixed displacement single vane pumps. Models are V210-2, V210-5, V20, V2106. Displacement is in gallons per minute. 2.5 gallons per minute, 6.25 gallons per minute, 7.5 gallons per minute, and maximum pressure is 140 bar and RPM is 1800. Second type is V210-8W, V210-9W, V210-11W, 10 gallons, 11.25 gallons, and 13 gallons, pressure 140, maximum RPM 1800. Now these are the V10 series from 1 gallon to from 1 to 7, 1.25 gallons per minute to 8.75 gallons per minute. Maximum pressure 175 bar and RPM is 4000, high RPM because they are also used in mobile equipment, 2800, 4500. Okay, the other series are V20 series, V26, V27, V28, V29, V2011, V2012, 13, and the gallonage goes from 7.5 gallons to 16.25 gallons. Maximum pressure 175 bars, and for 11, 12, 13, for 12 and 13 is 150 bars, RPM 2000 and up to 3400 to 2400 RPM. Okay, now other are high speed, high pressure type are 20 VQ5, 20 VQ8, 11, 12, 13, 14 gallon, 6.25, 10 gallons, 13 gallon, 15, 17.5, pressure is 210 bar. RPM is 2700. Then is 25 VQ, 25 VQ 12 up to 21, and 35 VQ 25 to 38, and then 45 VQ 42 to 60. There is also 50 series, and here the pressure is 210 bar. And for 45 VQ is 175 bar. RPM is 2000, various RPMs. So these are some of the Vickers single vane pumps, fixed displacement single pumps, low cost high performance series V210, and high speed high pressure type single Vickers vane pumps. High pressure type 20 VQ, and then 25 VQ, then 35 VQ, then 45 VQ series. Mr. Harry Vickers of Vickers, founder of Vickers, designed these vane pumps, and it brought industrial revolution because it enhanced the productivity of the whole industry. This is Adnan Sanni from Sanni Enterprises giving you bird eye view of Vickers vane pumps, fixed displacement, single vane pumps, low cost, high performance type, and high speed, high performance type. Maximum pressure goes from 140 to 210 bar. And there are other high pressure vane pumps also, which goes to 250 bar also. And we'll give you the information later. And there are double vane pumps, triple vane pumps. Thank you. My WhatsApp number is 00923124225402, and my emails are adnan_sunny@yahoo.com and sunnyadnan@gmail.com. 24/7 365 free helpline on WhatsApp and emails. Thank you. And this video is in honor of Mr. Harry Vickers, who gave us all these vane pumps from Detroit. God bless you, Mr. Harry Vickers.